But here's the fun thing about the tips. Is you can go listen to one of your favorite reaction videos on here to your favorite artist. Go try a tip and then see how it helps your voice for singing along with the song.
Exactly. That's a great idea. Have you ever tried the tip?
I have.
Hello everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
We have so much energy.
Wow, we just yelled into that microphone.
We did. We might have peaked.
I think we did peak. We peaked a long time ago.
Listen.
But we're on a rise up
what
again.
What age is that for you?
We're on a rise up again.
Rise up.
We're about to hit 75,000 subscribers, so you better hit that button to help us get there right now. Ding, ding, bong, bong. I don't know. I'm just excited.
Make sure you set your notifications so that you know whenever you have a video, you can watch us.
Also, let me just ask for a friendly favor.
Oh.
We love doing this. We love being together. We love reacting to the videos and finding great singers around the world that you introduce us to. Mm-hmm. We also like making vocal tips and giving them to you. Those don't get as much views. That's free help.
$3.99.
They are free 99.
Free 99.
So you should free watch. That wasn't. I was trying to think of a rhyme.
But you're cute.
Yeah, thanks. We would love if you would watch our vocal tips as well, because that's we do that to help singers be better.
Yeah.
This we do to just have fun and help expose artists and songs around the world.
But here's the fun thing about the tips. Is you can go listen to one of your favorite reaction videos on here to your favorite artist. Go try a tip and then see how it helps your voice for singing along with the song.
Exactly. That's a great idea. Have you ever tried the tip?
I have.
Oh
my God.
You fell for it. You fell for that.
I have 3
you
kids.
Sure have. You fell for that.
I don't recommend it.
But she is right. You should.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm blushing.
You are blushing. You should. You fell for my. You fell right into my trap every time. It's too easy. Great point though. You should listen to your favorite songs or singers. Go watch the tips and try to apply some of the technique that we give you and explain to you and become a better singer. That's the whole point.
The giggles.
You sure do.
Oh my gosh, I'm waterworks over here.
I have so many jokes for days, but I'm going to refrain.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, we have to get. We have to get to this video. We're going back to Morissette.
Redeem.
We are redeeming right now. We're going to Morissette. This was suggested. It is a rock medley from a Mitsubishi conference.
I haven't heard of that.
Or auto show. You never heard of Mitsubishi?
I haven't. Not in a long time.
Oh. Well, it's still a huge brand.
Okay,
here we go. Let's go.
And we've prepared something very special in celebration of
this is a live video.
Motors and Rally Yard. Something powerful. So you guys are in for a treat. I hope you guys enjoy these classics, rock classics. If you guys know these songs.
Oh, she's going to do Dream On.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, wow. Oh, I'm excited about this one with her.
Our mentor always made us sing Dream On. Ooh, that was a little Shakira, right?
Yeah.
Every time.
Knurdle.
Yeah, Knurdle. Ooh, low.
She's always smiling when she sings.
I know, it makes me mad. Because I don't smile when I sing.
Oh, no, you do. You do.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay. She always looks so happy.
No, you definitely smile.
I wonder if she got a free car for this. I admire how many vocal colors are in her voice.
I mean, I think she covers them all.
At the A to Z. It's like crazy.
And she caters it to the song.
She does.
Like, she really is a true artist to make the song perform.
Bingo. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm excited for it.
I'm so excited. I bet.
It's got to be something.
Steven Tyler's really
What?
Anyways, guys, this one really enjoyed a lot more.
Whoa.
wow. Coming off that high.
I know. I wasn't ready to be done with that. She really is just, it doesn't even make sense. As always, just makes it look so effortless.
I mean, so effortless. She would be so fun / terrifying to go karaoke.
Oh gosh.
I would just have her sing.
I know.
Oh my gosh, if she came to Nashville and sang at Tootsie's.
Kate, we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about that.
Lights.
I was just thinking that in my head like 3 minutes ago.
Were you?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving her.
Me too. This is fun.
Literally, her smile while she's singing is crazy. Whether she's at a high note or a low note, the smile is just infectious.
Oh yeah. Hold on to what you got.
His son just got married.
Really?
To Millie Bobby Brown.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Never seen anyone dance to Living on a Prayer, but here we go.
They did air guitar and everything.
I know. Is that her squeak or a whistle?
I couldn't tell. song jumping
and dancing.
It's not easy.
And she sang 2 songs for this. Like, I mean, this is a marathon.
Like, marathon. I'm touching on stamina with this one. Are you kidding?
I mean, how's she even breathing still?
I wouldn't.
She took it home with a big high note.
And holding it.
I know.
She's so cute.
So good.
Okay.
That was amazing.
Stamina.
What did you say?
Stamina.
Oh. It was so drawn out. I didn't understand
Really?
It was like stamina.
Just to make it more precise. Here's the thing. One thing that I do with my students here that are touring is I put them on the treadmill, and we are doing vocal warm-ups. We're
You need to put me on the treadmill.
I do need to put you on the treadmill, but you're so tired. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. I am kidding. But here's the thing, and we have acres around our studio, so I will take them up and down the hill too, so that they're doing incline work outside in the heat. And then we also go inside in air conditioning, obviously. But stamina is such a big part of a singer's career. Like, to be able to do that with those insane rock songs.
No, it totally is. I mean, that's insane what she just did there. And you're right, working on stamina.
And everything.
Totally. And working on stamina will really work that. I take my clients to the Bahamas.
Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm working towards that. I'm just trying to get myself to the Bahamas.
No, I mean, that's really, really insane. Just
do those private classes and sit on the beach.
It's true. Her vocal essing, her vocal agility, her vocal gymnastics, and her vocal stamina, as you said, are just world class. They're world class. We know that about her. This was another example of that.
Yeah.
It was cool to see it in a live setting, right?
And both of us getting lost thinking about karaokeing with her.
I know.
We both got lost.
So I was thinking this in my head, like, I would give anything Morissette, and the Morissette beekeepers, the Morissette managers, the Morissette powers that be.
Yeah.
The universe of Morissette.
Yes.
Could you descend upon Katie and I right now and come to Nashville and sing with us?
I mean,
on Broadway. Can you imagine if we walked into all the bars and honky tonks and got up there and let her just throw down?
Just throw down.
For those of you who don't know Nashville,
that could be a whole documentary.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know Nashville, it's just this. Broadway is this long stretch of bars and restaurants and honky tonks, clubs,
artists. I mean, now
a lot of them. Yeah,
a lot of them are.
Or they have their names on them. But we're talking like thousands and thousands of people every day downtown Nashville, and these venues are just full of amazing singers.
Yeah,
you can hear every style of music. It's until you see it and experience it, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. No. But it's just a zoo of fun insanity down there. Yes. So if we could take Morissette,
oh my gosh,
and document it,
the musicians would freak out over her.
Everyone would freak out.
There are good musicians downtown.
Everyone would freak out. That's
how fun.
I wish
that could happen,
guys.
Make it happen.
Email her people. Get it. Make it happen.
Let's just do it.
This was fun.
Oh, this was so fun.
Yeah. Do you want a Mitsubishi now? I think that was kind of the point of Mitsubishi hiring her.
It really pushed me towards that.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I want a little meech.
Yeah. My great aunt, she was like my grandma, my aunt Audrey. She used to say Mitsubishi. She had a Mitsubishi TV.
Was she at your show? Did I get to meet her?
No, she's dead, Katie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Now that Katie put us in that mood. No, I'm kidding. She passed away a few years ago. Oh. You would have loved her, though. She was so much fun, but she could not say...
I love your whole family.
She couldn't say Mitsubishi. She would say Mitsubishi. I'm like, Aunt Audrey, she never cursed a day in her life. I'm like, you're saying a bad word. She's like, what I say? It was fun. It was funny.
Cute.
Hey, until next time...
Who are you?
I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we're just having a Mitsubishi time. That was stupid.
We're Vocal Lab Collective.
We are. Till next time, bye.